Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we're doing a pork loin in the Pit Boss like no other way you may have seen, possibly, and a vegetable tart with prosciutto. Check it out. Cheers, folks. So today, we're going to take a pork loin, we're going to put a bacon weave on it, we're going to cut into it, and we're going to dump in some macaroni and cheese. Oh, hell yeah. Cook that up to 145. We'll pull it out, let it rest, cut into this, see what we got going on. And this macaroni and cheese recipe, simple, simple, simple. Got it from Sam the cooking guy, and he didn't believe it, and so I had to try it. And I'm stuffing that into the pork loin, wrapping it with bacon, and then we're putting it on the Pit Boss for probably about 2 hours at 350. Get it up to 145, pull it, and there we go. A little tip with that Pit Boss, this time I filled up that bottom pan, the water pan. Yeah, I skip out on it, just like I do with the slow ones here. I don't put water in it. Well, anyway, bacon on my last cook created a little bit of a fire, and it got hot in there, and it shuts off. So fill that up with water, and refill it if you have to, and it's great. It makes it easier to clean. So if you got water in there and there's grease dripping down in, cleanup will be a lot easier. You don't want to even know the hassle I had with what I had in there, trying to get that out of there. Holy hell. Put water in your water pan in the Pit Boss for sure. better than I thought. See, that bacon just fell right back. Well, it is what it is. Boom. All right. The vegetable tart with the prosciutto. Cut your veggies thinner. I don't know, it's just runny, man. So let's try it out with that puff pastry. It's hot. It's hot. Really hot. It's not horrible. I just expected not so runny. Maybe pre-cook the vegetables. I mean, it's got a lot of flavor. It really does. Everything's cooked all the way through. Yeah, just it's too watery. Should have thought about that with the zucchini. Really. But tasty. Just not the most beautiful looking thing. So, but we're gonna get into the one thing that does look good. Some of that bacon. A lot of bacon. You know, I don't care. Pork loin stuffed with mac and cheese with a bacon weave. Oh, hell yeah. Now you're talking. Yeah. Man. Maybe I should put some of that mac and cheese in that vegetable tart. That's good stuff. It rested about 20 minutes longer than I wanted, so The pork loin's a little chewier than I wanted, but man, that mac and cheese, that cheap, easy mac and cheese is rocking. Whew. That's good. That is real good. God dang. Now the vegetable tart, I brought it into the house, threw it in the oven to warm it up a little bit because I already shut the pit boss off. I thought it was done. I mean, it's cooked. It's all the way cooked. It's just too watery. So it's kind of soupy. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants soupy vegetable tart. I've never had vegetable tart anyway, but I don't want a soupy one. As simple as that. Anyway, guys, that pork loin with the mac and cheese stuffed in the middle and wrapped in bacon, oh hell yeah, you can't go wrong with that. Now the vegetable tart, that's my first attempt. I saw it in a magazine, and then I looked it up on Google, a couple ideas, and made my own, obviously. And maybe that's where I went wrong. So, but I'm sure I can button that up, thin it out. I try to cut it with just a chef's knife. Cut your veggies up real thin, and I'm sure that would have come out much better. But it's still delicious. And I'm going to go in, eat with the fam. There's a train coming. Would you imagine that? That's all that ever happens around here on Saturdays. Trains are coming. Goddamn Johnny Cash, happy as hell. He heard the train coming. Yeah. So anyway, we're going to go in, gobble this up. I hope you guys have a great January 2020. Peace. Oh, wait. Hold up. Hold up. Subscribe if it's your first time here. Hit that little jingle bell. Jingle it. Come on. You can do it. And thumbs up. Comment down below. I'll catch you later. Peace. Beer Champ Barbecues. Today we're doing up, I don't even know.